What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set your own photo or custom image as the background image or wallpaper for your PS5, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Okay, so first things first, before we proceed, you want to make sure you have the PS app, that is the PlayStation app, on your phone. You can go ahead and get this app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Just download it and make sure you log into the same account that is actually signed in on your PS5 or your PlayStation. And once that is done, you also want to make sure you already have the photo or picture of yourself or custom image you want to use as the wallpaper or background image of your PS5 as well. Mine is over here, and basically what you want to do is to head over to the PS app. Once you open it up, you want to just click on the message icon at the top right corner, and then you can just go ahead and open up any chat. I'll just use this one over here, select it just like so, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the plus icon so that you can actually send your image to this person. So I'll just click on the plus icon and then click on the image icon over here just like so I can actually send image. Give it permission to actually access your phone's gallery, and then I'll just go ahead and select my image over here, then click on the send button. Give it some few minutes to send, and once it is sent, you want to come over to your PS5 now. At this point, you just want to locate the same message that you have sent on your PS app. So press on the PlayStation button, then you just want to scroll over to game base, open it up to view all of your chats, and if you come over here, you can literally see the image I just sent to this user. And basically this is the image. You want to go ahead and select it to view the image, and at this point what you want to do is to take a screenshot of this particular image. So you just want to long press on the share button to take a screenshot just like so, and as you can see, a screenshot has been taken. You want to go ahead and just open that up. So close this up. So once you close the game base, you just want to press on the PlayStation button and you should be able to see the recently taken screenshot. You want to go ahead and select that and then just proceed to edit it. So come over to edit over here, select that, and then you also want to just crop it. So you want to click on the crop and then proceed to crop it a little bit. So just like so. Once I am done zooming, I can come over to position to also adjust it to the right just like so, and then just click on the done button, and then you just want to go ahead and click on save. Now that our picture is saved, you want to go ahead and click on save as new. Now finally, to set your own photo as the background image on your PS5, you just want to come out of this, and then from the welcome page you want to just scroll down just like so, and then scroll over to the top over here, and then you're going to see the change background. You want to select that, navigate to the media gallery, and then just select the image you have cropped just like so, select it, and automatically your photo will now be set as the background image on your PS5. Now you're going to notice that the image is actually covered with all of these icon over here. What you can actually do is to go over to the widgets option over here, so edit widgets, and then you just want to go ahead and turn off some of these things. So you can actually turn off some of these things and then just remove any of them so that you can properly see your image on your PS5. Okay, so I just successfully removed all of the widgets I don't want, and as you can see, I have now been able to set my own photo as the wallpaper or background image on my PS5. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.